गुड मॉर्निंग। रिसेंटली और क्या बोलूँ, रिसेंटली है 2-3 दिन पहले ही नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का जो चेयरपर्सन मिस्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस पार्टी फारूक अब्दुल्ला एंड अ मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, फारूक अब्दुल्ला जी ने एक टेलीविजन चैनल पे इंटरव्यू देते हुए बोला, विच वी ऑल हैव हर्ड, what Farooq Abdullah said, we all have heard in television, that Farooq Abdullah wants Article 370 will be restored in Jammu and Kashmir with Chinese help. मतलब सुनिए कि फारूक अब्दुल्ला कितना नीचे गिर गया. How low Farooq Abdullah can be. He wants to restore Article 370 with the help of China, and China, who is our enemy number one, and we are having problem in the border, but फारूक अब्दुल्ला चाहते हैं कि आर्टिकल 370 रिस्टोर हो जाए जम्मू कश्मीर पे चाइनीज के हेल्प लेके. अरे भाई, व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? आर्टिकल 370 को जब नरेंद्र मोदी गवर्नमेंट रिमूव्ड आर्टिकल 370, it is for the betterment of the state, betterment of the union territory. Article 370 रह के, when there was Article 370 in the valley, उसमें क्या फायदा हुआ वैली को तो कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. When Article 370 was there in the valley, only two family made money, and one is one of this national conference ka family. And now when they are not able to make money, वो बोल रहे कि भाई चाइना को बोलेंगे, चाइना आर्टिकल 370 को फिर से रिस्टोर करेगा, फिर से लागू करेगा. एंड एट द सेम टाइम 27 सितंबर मिस्टर अब्दुल्ला ने बोला कि जम्मू कश्मीर में जाके, वो इंटरव्यू में बोल रहे थे कि जम्मू कश्मीर में जाके, if I go to Jammu Kashmir and ask the people of Jammu Kashmir whether you are called Indians or not, they will say we are not Indians, rather we want China. It is good that China come and take and join them. And मतलब बोलना चाहते हैं कि वहाँ के लोग अगर से पूछोगे कि क्या हम इंडियन हैं, तो बोलेंगे नहीं, हम इंडियन नहीं है, इससे अच्छा तो चाइना आके हमें रूल करे, चाइना हमें कंट्रोल करे. Sandeep Patra ji said this in a press conference, BJP spokesperson, national spokesperson. So, but at the same time, when the statement of Farooq Abdullah sparked controversy, जब इसमें शुरू हुआ, तब नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस उसको ढकने के लिए अचानक आगे नहीं, national conference spokesperson came and tried to save Farooq Abdullah by saying that no, Sandeep Patra has twisted his statement. Farooq Abdullah never said that he needs Chinese help to restore Article 370 in the valley. See, Farooq Abdullah बोले, Umar Abdullah बोले, जितने अब्दुल्ला बोले, फारूक अब्दुल्ला, उमर अब्दुल्ला, then वो मुफ्ती टुफ्ती जो भी है, whoever say कि they want to restore Article 370 in the valley, तो भाई सुन लो, Article 370 has been removed by Narendra Modi government for the betterment of the valley. और चाइना, पाकिस्तान, ये वो जो भी स्थान के साथ आप बोलो, it will कोई आर्टिकल 370 को फिर से वैली में रिस्टोर नहीं कर सकता. एंड एट द सेम टाइम सी द माइंडसेट ऑफ फारूक अब्दुल्ला. एक इंडियन होके, ही इज एन इंडियन एंड ही टॉक्स अबाउट he talked about joining hand with enemy. I don't understand. These are the people, Farooq Abdullah type people, the real anti-national, who speaks against India. These types of Farooq Abdullah type people who carries Indian passport, जो इंडिया का खाते, who eat Indian food, when they fall sick they go to Indian doctor, but at the same time this kind of people dance in the tune of China, sometime in the tune of Pakistan. Now they are not able to make money, so they are frustrated by Article 370 को लाओ, Article 370 will not be there, to be very frank. जो गया गया. नाउ वी विल, मोदी सरकार विल हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द वैली. वैली को देखना पड़ेगा. आपको पैसा बना नहीं पा रहे, उसको देखना नहीं पड़ेगा. एंड इफ फारूक अब्दुल्ला फील्स दैट he is not happy, he don't want to stay, he has got lots of money, he can go to wherever he feel like. His passport, he wants to cancel his passport, cancel his citizenship from India, and he can go to China, Pakistan, UK, wherever he wants to go. But make sure in India, Indians will not tolerate this kind of anti-Indian statesmen. People of Jammu and Kashmir will proudly say that they are Indian. But I don't know, you will say, Farooq Abdullah will say that he is an Indian or not. I don't know, he will say that. But people of Jammu Kashmir will say that they are Indian. And we know they are Indian, they are a part. Because we have removed Article 370, the valley, Jammu Kashmir, the entire region became a part of India. Otherwise, we have a different flag in Jammu and Kashmir, and the valley we have different flag. India has got a different flag. What nonsense it was going on for the last post independence. So Farooq Abdullah, you said wrong. China, Pakistan, whoever it is, you can beg to any country, but Article 370 will not be restored in the valley. Make it clear. Thank you very much.